are the malls down here on our way to the casino. So, hi guys. So, if you could see that building right there, that's the MGM Grand. That ELARA that says over there, Hilton Grand Vacation, that's where we are right now. And go down there. We are on the 21st floor right now. Casino. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to tour you around here in ELARA Hotel. Is it ELARA? I am going to tour you around as usual. So here is their bathroom. Right here, it's pretty, right? They have a beautiful bathroom. Say hi, honey, you're in the camera. And they have here the beautiful, they have a
bathtub.
And yeah,
shower.
Right there, they have a mini.
Yeah, we got a little mini kitchen.
Have the mini kitchen right here. I don't know how to use
microwave. Looks like they have dishes for us. Coffee maker.
What's inside here?
Dishwasher.
Dishwasher. What's this?
Fridge. And I've got my beers in the freezer to get them cold already.
Oh, they have this
utensils, basic stuff here.
And have this one. This is microwave.
Look above the microwave, see if there's what's above there.
Right.
Okay, nothing there.
Alright. So, here, look at this one, guys. It's so pretty. Look at this piece. Nice mirror, and I guess this is their
closet. We got a safe over there,
and it's nice, right? And they have mirror. That is pretty right here. Here is our bed. That's nice. You know what? We can close that shades.
Hold on, let's let them see. Got our TV.
All right.
DVD player. They said there was free DVDs.
That's our overlooking. Honey, wait. Alright. Look at the shades, guys. I am going to close it down. Shades down. And just press this one. Just press that. See? Wow. Automatic. It's so pretty. And we are going to
open it back
up. Open back up. They have here a beautiful lampshade. Another lampshade. A beautiful couch.
And we have a view of the Sphere. At night, that is going to be lit up. And we will show you the Sphere at night. Tomorrow night, we're going to go to the show at the Sphere. I got to reserve us tickets. So we'll show you that in a separate.
And look at that view also over there. That's the Eiffel Tower that we see.
Yeah, that's the Eiffel Tower you guys saw in our video with the Bellagio. And there's Caesar's Palace behind it. So.
And look, I look. This is nice.
Yeah.
See? Beautiful. It's so nice. Alright, turn it off. So hi guys and welcome back. I'm here right now at the Sphere. Oh my god, it's so big. Hi guys and welcome. We're here in the Sphere right now. And look how big that one is.
Yeah, we gotta hustle.
Huh? Oh, so nice. You have to take a picture of me over here.
In Spotlight, you will hear the electric keyboard on the organ side.
Where do we go to do this?
With me directly, please approach my robotics coordinator. Otherwise, you were welcome to stare at my perfectly symmetrical face. And perhaps I should warm them up by telling them a little about myself. Allow me to tell you about my hardware and how I was constructed. I run on Tritium 3, the AI powerhouse of the forefront of
There's the robot like the honey coffee. Right there.
and completing. No other. For this musical example, you will hear a different instrument featured in each of our 4 spotlights.
Row 13, seat 21.
We praised her in every way we could.
Taking form.
But life would not be contained there. We've found nowhere in this vast and varied universe that we could call a home. But it grew and multiplied until the few became many.
And as it multiplied, life changed, taking on many forms.
Every form it could imagine itself to be.
Flocking in swarms, in schools. Life invented itself, adapted itself.
Some life still drifted. some set down roots, clung to the rocks.
Bye guys! We're done watching on that sphere right there, and it's so pretty guys. It's just a little bit pricey because it's how much is it? 100 plus per person. Oh no, we're going back to our hotel, I think.